Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve one more question, that is there are condition which we face in our organization. So here is a question. Your manager handles the sales for South region and he wants you to create a report for all the orders in the region where some discount is provided to the customers. That means we have to find those customers from South region where some discount is provided. So let's bifurcate the questions what we have to find first. So first we will check uh, the first part of the question is create a report for all the orders. To get all the orders, what we have to write? We will write select star from our table, that is orders table. Now we will go to the second part of our question, that is condition part. So what are the conditions? First condition is the region should be south. As you can see, the region mentioned here is the south region, so we have to find for south region only. And the discount is provided to the customer, some discount is provided to the customer. So here are two conditions. First we will run this query and let's see what are the column names for these for region, what is the name in the table. So this is the table, so we have to find so the state, postal code, region. So we will write our condition now. What we will write? We will use our where clause, where region. For region we will write region equal to colon in south. And what is the other condition? Where some discount is provided to the customer. So let's see, is there any discount column? Yeah, there is a discount column. So we will write our second condition, that is discount, and we will write where some discount is provided. That means the discount, if the discount is 0, that means there is no discount given to the customer. Is if discount is 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.7, that means some discount is provided. That means the discount should be greater than 0 only. So we will write greater than 0. And right now, so after putting these two conditions, the data should reduce. Right now we have 9,994 rows. So after running this query, we will expect some less rows from this output, because the region, the other three region, like there is a west region, east region, so only south region will be displayed. So because of that, the data will be reduced. So let's execute this. Sorry, why it's not running? So it's not running because we had put a extra space here, so we have to reduce this space. And let's run this again. Let's execute this query. So now we are getting our answer. So here you can see let me show you where is the region, city, state, postal region. As you can see, only south region is mentioned here. You are seeing only south is here, not east or west. So yeah, the for only south region is there. Also you will not see any other discount less than 0. There is no discount, so all the discount is given to the customer is greater than 0. So this is how we can solve this kind of question. So thank you.